Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Lego Audi RS6. First, organize your bricks by color and type to streamline the construction process. Many builders find it helpful to sort pieces into small containers. Next, ensure you have all the required parts, which can be found on a parts list often included with digital instructions. These instructions, typically in PDF format, provide a clear, step-by-step guide for assembly. A typical model might require around 480 pieces for a 1:24 scale. Building the Lego Audi RS6 involves several key techniques. Begin by constructing a robust chassis, which forms the foundation of your model. Employ snot or studs not on top, techniques to achieve the sleek, authentic curves of the Audi's bodywork. For advanced builders, incorporating an 8-speed gearbox and a detailed V8 engine adds incredible realism and functionality. Pay close attention to the steering mechanism, ensuring it is both functional and integrated seamlessly into the design. To truly make your Lego Audi RS6 stand out, consider advanced customization. You might explore custom 3-dimensional printed rims or a unique steering wheel to enhance realism. Don't be afraid to experiment with color. Options like a vibrant lime green or a sleek all-black exterior can dramatically change the look. Incorporate functional elements such as opening doors, a hood, and a rear hatch. Finally, focus on interior details, including realistic seats and a dashboard, to complete your masterpiece. For the finishing touches, carefully attach all exterior details. This includes side mirrors, front and rear lights, and the distinctive Audi rings on the grille. Double-check all connections to ensure your model is sturdy and ready for display. A custom display stand can elevate your creation, making it a true centerpiece. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Your completed Lego Audi RS6 will be a testament to your building skill and attention to detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.